Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make saffron oil. Let's get straight into it.
Alright guys, so before we do anything, first we're going to sterilize our jar. So in my case, I'm just using a 1 litre jar here. Now it doesn't matter how well you've washed it, you always want to sterilize before you put anything in. So guys, to sterilize, all we're going to do is pour some boiling hot water in. And all we want to do is just shake that around. Make sure you get all the sides. You want to tip it out and that's sterilized. That's all there is to it. So now we can move on. So guys, just into a pot, we're going to start by adding in 4 cups of extra virgin olive oil. Now this can be done with any oil, but it's best to use something neutral like olive oil or grapeseed oil, something like that. Even sunflower oil is fine. Now on a high heat to this, we're going to add 5 grams of saffron threads. Now I'm using the highest quality saffron. That's very important to achieve the right flavour. Don't use anything cheap. So get that all in there. I'm just going to give that a little stir. And all we're going to do for now is just heat that up. Alright guys, as you can see, we're starting to get small bubbling happening here. So that indicates it's around 150 degrees, which is what we want. So what we're going to do at this point is turn the heat off. And now we just want to let this cool down. Now don't go putting it straight into the jar now because it's going to smash into 1,000 pieces. And we don't want that. Now you'll be able to smell some of the aroma now, but as you put it into the jar over time, this will get stronger. Alright guys, so by now our oil has cooled down, so we'll go ahead, just carefully pour it all in. Now make sure to get all that saffron out too. Alright guys, so next, if it's completely cooled down, we can put the lid on. If it's still a bit warm, leave the lid off. Don't put the lid on yet because we'll start to sweat. We don't want that. But if it has cooled down, we'll put the lid on and close it tight. And we're going to keep this in a cool place. You can put it into the fridge if you like. Alright guys, so I've kept mine for a week as you can see. And that flavour has developed, the aroma is amazing, so you can use it as you need it. Now I'm just keeping it in the fridge for now, so as it's oil, it pretty much lasts forever, so you don't have to worry about anything. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.